Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to make an object move along a circular path and keeps its orientation. So let's start. Go to the toolbar here in the rectangle, hold click and select the ellipse tool and make an ellipse. Hold shift to make a perfect circle like that. And make sure to leave the fill to none. And here you can select your color of your stroke and use stroke width. I'm going to make this stroke to be 15. Okay. And now let's center this path by pressing Ctrl Alt Home to center the anchor point and Ctrl Home to center the whole shape. Okay. Now let's go here in contents and ellipse and open ellipse path. Here you have the size of your ellipse. You can make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it big. Something like this. Okay. Now let's animate the path. So go to here in add and select trim path. There you go. Open trim path and make a keyframe here for end. Move forward like here and make another keyframe. Here in the beginning we are going to set end to be 0 and you can preview now your path animated. There you go. Now we are going to make an object to reveal that path. So close this and rename this layer to circular path. I'm going to create now a triangle. So go here to the circle and select the polygon tool. And hold click to make the polygon. And if you press the down arrow, you will remove the points of the polygon. So it becomes a triangle. So hold shift, make it the size you want, like this. And let's center with Ctrl Alt Home and Ctrl Home. There you go. Here I'm going to remove the stroke here by setting this to none. I'm going to add a fill, a white fill. It's okay. Let's rename this as arrow. Okay. Now we have to position our arrow in the path. So first, let's rotate this. So press R. You open the rotation, and I'm going to rotate this to 90 degrees. There you go. And I want the arrow to start here. Like here. Okay. Now go to your circular path. Open contents, ellipse path. And here in ellipse path, we have the size and the position, but we need the path. So to get the path, select ellipse path, right click, and select convert to Bezier path. And now we have the path. So select the path, copy with Ctrl C, and go to the arrow, press P to open the position, click the position, go to the beginning, and press Ctrl V. And here you have the position. You can adjust the position. So with the current time indicator in a keyframe, and all the keyframes being selected, you can move this. I'm going to move it like here. Okay. And well, you see the arrow followed the path, but it's not correctly oriented. So we have to right click in the arrow layer and go to transform and select auto orient and select orient along path. Hit OK, and now it's correctly oriented. You can also move a little bit the rotation, so go to rotation and you can change the rotation of your arrow, so to correct the orientation. There you go. Okay, I'm going to make the arrow a little smaller. Contents, polystar. No, here and transform. And reduce the scale a little bit. Like that. And correct the orientation. There you go. And also I'm going to make the path a little bigger, like 20. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, we can also make the arrow to erase the path. So go to position in arrow, press P, and select all the keyframes, copy them with Ctrl C, and paste them with Ctrl V here in the end. And it will give another, it will make another lap. So now to erase the circular part, we have to go to trim pass. So I'm going to close this ellipse. Okay, here in contents, ellipse, trim path. Here we have our trim path. So go here in the middle where it makes the first lap and make a keyframe for start. Go to the end and set start to 100. And now you can see that it will erase the path. You can also assist these keyframes. So select the keyframes at the end and assist with F9. Select the keyframes here at the middle, assist with F9, and do the same thing for the beginning. There you go. And here you have your circular path animated. You can make that the arrow sits here for a while, so you just have to copy this keyframe, Ctrl C, and paste it a little forward in time, like here, Ctrl V, so it stays there. Okay, and to avoid this problem, let me see how it was. Yeah, I think it was here. Let me change this. No, it was for this one maybe. Here, linear. Or it was the special. Let me see, because I don't really remember. It wasn't this. Special linear. It wasn't this neither. Let me see because I don't remember. Okay. Well, this is another way to make it. And copy this and paste it. Okay, yeah, that's a way to make it. So, where we were at? Ah, yeah. So, to make the arrows to sit here for a little while and then start moving, you can go one keyframe forward with what this key was named? Ah, page down. Yeah, I think it was page down. So go one key forward with page down and make a keyframe for position. Now you can move it in the time like this. Copy the trim path keyframes here in the middle. Control C and paste them here forward. No, sorry. And paste it selecting the circular path here forward. But okay. And paste it here forward. And let's see. There you go. I'm going to make the time to be less time, like this. Okay. So there you have it. It's a really quick and easy tutorial. And you will have available the to download the project file in the description. And that's all for today. So see you in the next tutorial.